This is the elevator at the Comfort Inn in Gainesville, Florida. It got modded. Used to be a Impulse. Now it's a Mowrey. Dover Impulse. Maybe ThyssenKrupp. Here's your hallway. That was a different kind of indicator, and on second thought, if I remember correctly, it was a ThyssenKrupp Impulse, not a Dover or a ThyssenKrupp. But I did film this back in 2017. I'll link the original take in the description. Interesting how they just have a futon right here. Looks like it should go in one of the rooms, but it's just in there. It's missing a cushion. So we got our elevator back. Let's go down to 1. Last year's certificate is in here. You can kind of see through the panel, and we're stopping. Not sure what any of this stuff means. You can see speed in feet per minute. So while we're here on 3, here's an intermediate call station. A bunch of people got on. And there's the same futon right here on 3. Interesting. Yeah, this elevator is pretty busy, so we're just gonna end the video down at 1. But not before I show you this. This is pretty cool. You can see the feet per minute. Looks like it's saying about 90 feet per minute. Cool. And that'll be it.